Hi, guys, this is your Twinkle. I'm going to talk about AI operating system, which is the backbone, which is what industry is looking at the moment. Let me explain how the architecture looks. You can come close. So, AI OS is here. So, firstly, AI OS starts with customer feedback. Anything you start with customer itself, it's customer layer. Okay. And then you've got customer feedback again. It should start with customer and it should end with customer. This is customer feedback. So you have customer layers and then you have data layer. So data layer is about customer data. It can be analytics, it can be insights, it can be even AI. So I'll come to that part. Then we have AI layer. So generally, I have an observation that most companies these days have AI layer as a vertical stack, but it should be like AI layer should be the backbone. It's a nerve. It's the brain for all the functions. So AI layer, which will have LLM data, will also come feed from here, and then we have all the operations. Say for example, sales. You can come close. Sales, HR, marketing, finance, and infra, everything, operations, everything in this. So this AI layer will feed the data for it. It's like actually intelligence, the brain. So it will feed that data. And then we have the learning layer means for improvement. So here human is also in place. So here we train the employees, we give metrics, we do audit and all these things. And apart from that, there is an other separate vertical. This is the risk layer, risk compliance, like that. Every part of risks and audits and everything will go in this bucket. And in this AI layer, we also have a human in the loop layer. Human in the loop meaning whatever you're giving to data, it is feeding to data, it should get the approval from the human. Then only it should be validated, because we have to do a lot of file management here. Yesterday I talked about file management, which means that everything you are putting in Claude.md file should have the files up to date, versioned, and the access system, the ERP system, the data system, everything should be like the agents should pick it up from here. So how it will pick it up? Only if you give the right data, it will pick it up. So this is the overall AI operating system structure, and it will take the inputs from customer layer, data layer, AI layer, multiple units, and then you have a learning layer with human. They keep learning, they keep bettering themselves, and then you have a customer feedback layer, which will again go to customer layer, because customer will test it out and then they will give more inputs. So this is the AI operating. Connect with me. I'm Twinkle. I post every day on AI Engineer. I simplify AI in bite-sized videos like this. Have a good